Now we can do 4.4 first sums. Question number A. Set up equations. That is, first we have to set the mathematical equations, that is simple equations, algebraic equations, and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. That means some statements are given, and by using these statements we have to make the simple equations or equations, algebraic equations. Okay, mathematical equations. We have to make it. After then, we have to find the unknown value, unknown number, or the value of variable. First, we have to make the equations by using variables. That means there will be one unknown value. How can we? First question, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. How can we do this? Here, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. That means 8 times a number. We don't know the number, we have to take, let the unknown number be x. Any variable you can use, but better I am using that as usual x itself. 8 times a number. So 8 times the unknown number. What is the unknown number? X. 8 times x is equal to 8 times x. That is 8x. So we got this statement. Add 4 to 8 times a number. That is add 4 to 8x. We got 8 times x is equal to 8x. So 8x plus 4. You get 60. That is 8x plus 4 gives or is any one gives 60. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 60 is the required equation. Is the required equation. Then we have to find x. It's very simple. 8x. This is the variable part. We can keep it here. Plus 4 we can take to RHS side. So 60 minus 4. That is equal to 56. That is 8 times x is equal to 56. So what can we do? X is equal to 56 divided by 8. That is 7. 7 8s are 56. So we can think 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. 56 plus 4. Add 4 to 8 times number. That is 60. So we got, you get 60. Okay. This is the solution of question number A. Question number B. 1/5 of a number. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So we don't know that number. Which is that a number? We can take, let the number be x. So 1/5 of x is equal to 1/5 of x. What is mean by of? That is 1 times 5 x. 1 on 5 times x. 1 on 5 times x. That is x times 1. That is x. X on 5 is the answer. So 1/5 of x is x on 5 minus 4. So x on 5 minus 4. What is mean by minus 4? Which is equal to x on 5 minus 4. Okay. Then gives 3. That is x on 5 minus 4 gives 3. How can we write? Which is equal to x by 5 minus 4 gives 3. This is the required equation. Is the required equation. Okay. Then we have to solve this part. that is x on 5 is the variable part, is equal to minus 4 we can take to RHS side. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is x on 5 equal to 7. Then here dividing by 5. So what can we do? We can multiply by 5. So 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So x, the unknown value, the unknown number be 35. So 1/5 of 35. What is 1/5 of 35? That is 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 7. Minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? Is equal to 3. So we got gives 3. This way we can check that answer is correct or wrong. Question number C. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So here also a number, we don't know that number. So let the unknown number be x. So 3/4. What is that? 3/4 of x, unknown number. That is 3 on 5 times x. That is 3x on 4. Add 3 to it. That is add 3 to 3x on 4. How can we write? 3x on 4 plus 3. Then they said 3x on 3 plus 3 gives 21. It gives 21. We have to find x. Next step we have to find x. Read one by one. If you didn't understand, read the question 2 or 3 times. You will get a clue. Okay. The statements clearly they will give the statements in the question. You have to understand the meaning of the question. That is only one thing. After then try to change that into simple equations. First each statement I have converted into equations. Then last required equation. Okay, we will get the required equation. So here we have to solve this. So this is the variable part. Now 3x on 4 is equal to 21 minus 3. Then 3x on 4 is equal to 21 minus 3. That is 18. Then here dividing by 4. So how can we do? 3x is equal to 18 times 4. What is 18 times 4? 72. 3x is equal to 72. Then here 3 times x. So what can we do? 72 divided by 3. What is the answer? 24 is the answer. 24 times 3, 72. So 3/4 of 24. 3 upon 4 times 24. What is the answer? That is, we can cut this to, that is 18. 3 times 6, 18. Then add 3 to it. Then 18 plus 3, that is 21. So we got 21 itself. So the answer is correct. Do D to G alone. You can do yourself. Okay? Try to do that. I think you got the idea how can we solve these questions.